The circulatory system is essential for distributing oxygen, nutrients, and removing waste throughout the body, ensuring optimal function and survival. Join us as we uncover the wonders of this vital system that keeps us alive and thriving. At the center of this remarkable system lies the heart, a muscular organ about the size of a fist. It tirelessly pumps blood throughout the body, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients reach every cell, while waste products are efficiently removed. Let's celebrate its vital role in ensuring the continuity of life and preserving our well-being. Let's start with the heart wall, which consists of 3 layers: the epicardium, myocardium, and endocardium. The epicardium is the outermost layer, providing protection. The myocardium is the muscular middle layer responsible for the heart's pumping. And the endocardium is the smooth inner lining of the heart chambers and valves. Moving on to the chambers of the heart. There are 4 chambers in total: 2 atria and 2 ventricles. The right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from the body, while the left receives oxygenated blood from the lungs. The right ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood to the lungs for oxygenation, and the left pumps oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. Valves within the heart ensure that blood flows in one direction, preventing backflow. The tricuspid valve is between the right atrium and right ventricle. The pulmonary valve separates the right ventricle from the pulmonary artery. The mitral valve, known as the bicuspid valve, is between the left atrium and ventricle. And finally, the aortic valve is between the left ventricle and aorta. The heart is connected to a network of blood vessels that carry blood to and from the body. Arteries carry oxygenated blood away from the heart, while veins carry deoxygenated blood back to the heart. The coronary arteries supply oxygenated blood to the heart muscle, ensuring its proper function. Lastly, let's talk about the heart's conduction system, which coordinates its rhythmic contractions. The SA node initiates the electrical impulses, while the AV node delays them before transmitting to the ventricles. The bundle of His and Purkinje fibers then distributes the impulses, causing the heart to beat in a coordinated manner. The human heart operates on a double circulation system, ensuring efficient oxygenation of blood and delivery of nutrients throughout the body. Let's begin with pulmonary circulation, the first part of the double circulation system. The deoxygenated blood returns to the heart from the body's tissues through the superior and inferior vena cava, entering the right atrium. From the right atrium, blood flows through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. The right ventricle contracts, pumping the deoxygenated blood through the pulmonary valve and into the pulmonary artery. The pulmonary artery carries the deoxygenated blood to the lungs, where it undergoes gas exchange. Carbon dioxide is removed, and oxygen is absorbed. Oxygenated blood returns to the heart via the pulmonary veins, entering the left atrium. From here starts the systemic circulation, the second part of the double circulation system. Oxygenated blood from the left atrium passes through the mitral valve into the left ventricle. The left ventricle contracts, pumping oxygen-rich blood through the aortic valve and into the aorta, the body's largest artery. From the aorta, oxygenated blood is distributed to all body parts through smaller arteries, arterioles, and eventually capillaries. In the capillaries, oxygen and nutrients are delivered to tissues, and waste products, including carbon dioxide, are removed. Deoxygenated blood, laden with waste products, returns to the heart via venules and veins, ultimately entering the right atrium to begin the pulmonary circulation process again. Now, let's explore the types of blood vessels which form the circulatory system. First, we encounter the mighty arteries, the thoroughfares of the circulatory system. Like grand highways, arteries propel oxygen-rich blood away from the heart, coursing through the body with robust force. Their muscular walls withstand high pressure, ensuring blood delivery to the farthest reaches of the body's organs and tissues. As arteries branch into smaller vessels, we encounter the arterioles. These diminutive passageways regulate blood flow into the vast capillary beds. Through precise constriction and dilation, arterioles modulate blood distribution, responding to the body's ever-changing needs. Here, within the intricate capillary network, lies the essence of exchange. These microscopic vessels form an expansive web, permeating nearly every tissue and organ. Thin-walled and delicate, capillaries facilitate the exchange of nutrients, oxygen, and waste products with unparalleled efficiency. Their intimate contact with body tissues allows for the seamless diffusion of substances, ensuring cellular vitality and function. Emerging from the capillary beds, we encounter the humble venules. These small tributaries gradually coalesce into larger veins, embarking on the journey back to the heart. Unlike their arterial counterparts, veins face a more daunting task, navigating against gravity to return deoxygenated blood to the lungs and heart. To aid in this uphill battle, veins boast unique adaptations, including one-way valves that prevent backflow and promote unidirectional blood flow. Despite operating under lower pressure, veins serve as resilient conduits, steadfastly ensuring the return of blood to the heart, completing the circulatory cycle. In this mesmerizing tapestry of veins, arteries, capillaries, and arterioles, each vessel plays a pivotal role in sustaining life's intricate dance. Together, they form the pulsating rhythm of vitality, orchestrating the symphony of circulation that fuels our existence. Blood, the life-sustaining fluid, serves as the vehicle for this journey. It is composed of red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and plasma. Each component plays a crucial role in maintaining the body's equilibrium. Maintaining a healthy circulatory system is paramount for overall well-being. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and stress management are key components of a heart-healthy lifestyle. By taking care of our bodies, we ensure the smooth functioning of this remarkable system. Did you enjoy this fascinating exploration? If so, show some love by hitting the like button, sharing it with your friends, and subscribing to our channel. We appreciate your support and thanks for watching.